Welcome to Finance Made Easy. Here is this week's economic report for August the 7th to the 11th, 2023. Here is a summary of the top 10 price volume stocks for the week ending Friday, August 11th, 2023. Tesla Incorporated, $242.65, minus 1.10%, volume 99,038,594. NVIDIA Corp, $408.55, minus 3.62%, volume 53,308,496. Apple Incorporated, $177.79, minus 0.10%, volume 52,036,598. J&J, Johnson & Johnson, $173.85, plus 0.98%, volume 45,905,602. MSFT, Microsoft Corp, $321.01, minus 0.59%, volume 24,355,400. AMD, Adverb Micro Devices, $107.57, minus 2.41%, volume 55,667,703. Amazon.com Incorporated, $138.41, minus 0.11%, volume 42,905,801. Meta Platforms Incorporated, $301.64, minus 1.34%, volume 14,046,200. Google, Alphabet CLA, $129.56, minus 0.10%, volume 19,591,000. Alibaba Group Holding ADR, $95.72, minus 3.52%, volume 25,222,699. Detailed summary of the S&P 500 index data for this week. The S&P 500 opened the week at 4,451.24 points on Monday and closed at 4,443.89 on Friday. Over the 5 trading days this week, the index declined 0.31% overall. On Tuesday, the S&P 500 reached its weekly peak of 4,476.23 points before pulling back later in the week. The lowest level for the index this week was 4,443.98 points reached on Thursday. The 52-week range for the S&P 500 is between 3,491.58 and 4,607.07 points. Short-term trends. Over the past 5 trading days, the S&P 500 lost 0.31%. Compared to 1 month ago, the index is down 0.92%. The S&P 500 gained 8.24% over the last 3 months. Year-to-date performance. The S&P 500 has risen 16.27% since the start of 2022. This gain indicates investors remain bullish on the economic recovery and corporate earnings outlook. However, high inflation and interest rate hikes have caused some volatility in 2022. Long-term view. Over the past year, the S&P 500 has gained 4.30%. The index hit an all-time high of 4,796.56 points on Jan 3, 2022. It remains a leading benchmark for overall stock market performance. Here is a summary of the key details for the 5-year US Treasury yield. The current yield on the 5-year US Treasury stands at 4.303% as of 5:05 p.m. EDT. The yield increased by 0.101 percentage points today. Yields on 5-year Treasuries have been rising steadily over the past year as the Federal Reserve has raised interest rates to combat high inflation. At the start of 2022, the 5-year yield was around 1.26%. It has since climbed over 300 basis points. The 5-year yield is closely watched as an indicator of interest rate expectations and economic outlook. Higher yields reflect expectations of more Fed rate hikes and higher longer-term rates. The 5-year yield also influences borrowing costs across key sectors like housing and autos. Overall, the current elevated 5-year yield reflects ongoing inflation concerns and the Fed's tightening monetary policy. Here is a summary of the key economic events on the calendar for next week. Monday, August 21st. No major economic data scheduled. Here is a summary of the key economic events on the calendar for next week. Monday, August 14th. No major economic data scheduled. Tuesday, August 15th. Retail sales for July, expected to rise 0.4%. Import price index for July, expected up 0.2%. Empire State Manufacturing Survey for August, prior -1.2. Wednesday, August 16th. Housing starts for July, expected 1.45 million. FOMC meeting minutes to be released. Thursday, August 17th. Jobless claims for week ending August 12, expected 238K. Philly Fed Manufacturing Survey for August, prior -13.5. Leading economic indicators for July, expected -0.4%. Friday, August 18th. No major economic data scheduled. Key events to watch. Retail sales and Philly Fed survey for signs of economic slowdown. FOMC minutes for insights into future rate hike path. Housing and manufacturing data as key growth indicators. Here are some of the major companies expected to report earnings the week of August the 14th to the 18th, 2023. Monday, 8/14. Tencent Music Entertainment, TME. Tuesday, 8/15. Walmart, WMT Home Depot, HDC World Entertainment, Seas. Wednesday, 8/16. Target, TGT Lowe's, Low TJX Companies, TJX Cisco Systems, SCO. Thursday, 8/17. Kohl's, KSS Estee Lauder, L Applied Materials, AMAT Ross Stores, Rost. Friday, 8/18. Deere & Company, The Foot Locker, FL. Investors will look for commentary on inflation, consumer spending, and business demand. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and we also have a weekly newsletter in the description below. Stay tuned in for next week.